If you've served this country and you're thinking about buying a home in San Diego, you need to hear this. You may already have one of the most powerful home buying tools out there and not even know it. It was a no-brainer for me when I found out about it, and honestly, it changed everything. I'm talking about the VA loan, and today we're going to break it all down together. No mumbo jumbo, just real talk over coffee. Hey, welcome back. I'm Dez Prado, your Real Estate Tita, here in San Diego. If you're new here, think of me like that trusted person who's already walked this path and is going to keep it real with you every step of the way. And listen, when it comes to VA loans, I'm not just reading off a script. I have personally used a VA loan to buy a home. So everything I'm sharing today, it comes from real experience. Let's get into it. Okay, so first things first, what even is a VA loan? A VA loan is a home loan benefit backed by the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs. It's available to all eligible veterans, active duty service members, National Guard members, and surviving spouses. So, if you've served, there's really a good chance you already have this benefit available to you right now, and you just might not even know it. The first thing you want to do is get your certificate of eligibility. We call it a COE. It's basically the document that says, yes, you have this benefit, let's go. Your lender can pull it for you electronically in just a few minutes, or you can grab it yourself at va.gov. Super simple first step. Now here's where it gets really good. Because the VA loan has benefits that no other loan program can match, and I mean that, number one, no down payment required. In San Diego, where homes are not cheap, that is huge. Most people think they need to save up tens and thousands of dollars before they can even think about buying with a VA loan. With a VA loan, that barrier is gone. Number two, no private mortgage insurance. Most low down payment loans charge you PMI every single month on top of your mortgage. Now that adds up fast. With a VA loan, that fee doesn't exist. More money stays in your pocket every month. Number three, competitive interest rates. Because the government is backing the loan, lenders can offer you better rates. A lower rate means lower monthly payments. And who doesn't like the sound of that? And number four, this is a lifetime benefit. You can use it more than once. It's not a one-time thing. You earn this benefit by serving your country and it stays with you. Okay, so I have to keep it real with you here because a lot of people don't mention this until right before closing, and that's not okay. There's a fee called the VA funding fee. Now, before you freak out, let me explain what it is and why it exists. The VA funding fee is a one-time fee paid at closing. It's there to reduce the cost of the program for taxpayers because the VA loan doesn't require a down payment or monthly mortgage insurance. So the government charges this fee to keep the program running for future veterans. So it's basically paying it forward. So you're probably asking, how much is it? Well, it ranges from 0.5% to 3.3% of the loan amount, depending on a few things. Whether this is your first time using the benefit, what type of loan it is, and whether you put any money down. On a first time use with zero down, it's typically around 2.15%. Now here's the good news. You have options on how to pay it. You can pay it in cash at closing, or you can roll it into your loan amount. Most buyers roll it in, so there's nothing extra out of pocket at closing. And here's the even better news. Some veterans don't pay it at all. According to va.gov, you're exempt from the funding fee if you are receiving VA compensation for a service disability, if you are a surviving spouse of a veteran who died in service, or if you're an active duty service member who has received a Purple Heart. va.gov also shared that since 2021, more than half of the veterans who got a VA loan are exempt. So please check your status with your lender before you close. You don't want to pay a fee you don't owe. And one more thing, starting in 2026, veterans can actually deduct the VA funding fee on their taxes. And that's brand new. Talk to your tax professional about that one. So what does it actually look like to use a VA loan here in San Diego? Honestly, it's not as complicated as people make it seem. You get pre-approved, you find a home you love, You make an offer and you close. Same basic steps as any home purchase. But there are a couple things specific to VA loans I want you to know about because nobody told me these things and I wish they had. First, the home has to meet VA minimum property requirements. The VA wants to make sure the home is safe and move-in ready, and that's actually a good thing. It protects you as the buyer. It just means you want to work with an agent who really knows VA loans and knows how to navigate that process. And fortunately, our team specializes in VA loans. Second, not every seller fully understands VA loans. Some sellers have this old idea that VA offers are complicated or take forever. That's just not true when you have the right team around you. The right agent and the right lender make all the difference. Okay, let me bust a few myths real quick because I hear these all the time. VA loans take forever to close. Nope. With a good VA approved lender, the timeline is comparable to any other loan. Sellers won't accept VA offers. Also not true. The right agent knows how to present your offer strong. I can only use it once. Absolutely not. As I said before, it's a lifetime benefit. Use it again and again. Okay, before I wrap up, I want to share a few things that even a lot of veterans don't even know. And these are game changers. First, there is no VA loan limit if you have full entitlement if you qualify based on your lender's qualifications. A lot of people think the VA caps how much you can borrow. That's not how it works if you have your full entitlement available. In San Diego, where prices are high, that matters a lot. Second, VA loans aren't just for single-family homes. You can use your VA loan benefit to buy a condo, as long as it's VA approved and your lender can check that list for you. You can even buy a 2 to 4 unit property as long as you live in one of the units. So if you've ever thought about house hacking or building some passive income, your VA loan can help you do that. Third, the seller can cover your closing costs and provide up to 4% of the loan amount in additional concessions on top of that. Things like covering your funding fee or buying down your rate, that's confirmed straight from va.gov, and that's huge. Now, I do want to keep it real with you here. I'm a real estate agent, not a lender. So for specific rates, loan details, funding fee amounts, and eligibility questions, you always want to work directly with a licensed VA approved lender. What I can walk you through is what this process looks like from the buyer's side and how to make sure you're set up to win from day one. Look, if you serve this country and you're thinking about buying a home in San Diego, this benefit exists for a reason. You earned it. Don't leave it on the table. Drop your questions in the comments below because I read every single one, or reach out to me directly. Link is right down below. Your Tita's got you. See you in the next one.